Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I would like to offer you a kit that will make 12 tags and 5 Christmas cards. This kit will include a stamp set, the Labels to Love, which is a rubber mount stamp set, the block to put your stamps on, pre-cut tags, 12 of them, pre-cut cardstocks of Tranquil Tide and Fresh Fig, the label punch to cut out the labels from the stamps, the 2 ink pads of Fresh Fig and Tranquil Tide, 2 daubers. These can be used to ink up and to stamp on the back of a background for the card, some dimensionals, adhesives. We have some designer series paper in Tranquil Tide and Fresh Fig, which is double-sided, so you get 2 sheets of each, which is 6 by 6. We have the cards and envelopes, which will be 5 you'll receive, so you can start making your Christmas cards, and included will be some ribbon to make all your tags. So what can you make with this kit? I'll just pull everything to one side and I'll be able to show you. So these are the tags I've actually made using this kit. So by using the stamp and punch in different ways, you can create different effects. For this one example, I've stamped it, we're using the Fresh Fig, then just punched the stamp out and put a little bit of ribbon at the back of it. With this one here, I've used the outline stamp, which you can see there. And then the Celebrate, which is that one there, I've stamped on a separate piece of card, and then put some Fresh Fig to layer it up and raise this up on 3D foam. This Celebrate one, again, I've used the outside of the label and just raised up the Celebrate and put Tranquil Tide at the back of it with a bit of ribbon on the back as well. And the Ho 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 is simply wrapping some ribbon around the card before you stick it down and just stamping the Ho 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 just on some white cardstock and cutting it out. What you can do is layer this with the Tranquil Tide at the back of it, or even layer it with the Fresh Fig. So that's the labels you can make. And now I'll show you the cards. So these are the cards that I've made using the same stamp set, just in a slightly different way. So using the designer series paper just as a background, and then putting the stamp or raising it up on this one, if you can see. With this one, I've used the designer series paper, cut 2 1-inch strips, and then stamped the outline of the label, punched it out, and then stamped the Happy Christmas to You, which is on there, in the Fresh Fig. And with this one here, I've used the outline label again, use the Celebrate a Wonderful Year and raise this up on the dimensionals, use the Fresh Fig, put a Tranquil Tide label at the back so it gives it a shape, and then as you can see you've got some leaves there. So what I've actually done is I've used this stamp and I've actually masked off the leaves and the sentiment, so you can actually stamp onto your card. As I said, this stamp This kit is very versatile for Christmas, but not just for Christmas, because you can use your label punch any time of the year. If you would like to buy this kit, it's going to be £45 with free postage. If you want any more information, if you'd like to email me at yflitton@gmail.com, and my blog, if you'd like to visit it, is Crafting for Everyone, and that's crafting number 4 everyone at blogspot.com. I hope you enjoy having a look at these samples, and have a look at the blog for more inspiration, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.